So for accessing the compliance module, you should have access of the admin section. So once you log in into the TeamNest portal as an admin, you will then go towards the admin section. So within the admin section, when you'll scroll down, you will be able to view the compliance module. Now within the compliance module, you will have statutory deductions and compliance calendar available. Within the statutory deductions, you can define the various states that which are there. Like you can set up the rules for the deductions of various statutory deductions like Provident Fund, ESIC, TDS, profession tax, and so on. So over here for the PT, you can define all the states that come under PT for your organization. Similarly, you can define the Provident Fund, ESIC, TDS, and all the states that come under LWF as well for your organization. Once you have selected the same, you can submit. Once you submit, a compliance calendar will be maintained where you can track your compliances, you can upload challans against each to mark them as done. And hence, this is very, very fruitful to keep an update about the compliances of your company. So, this is about the compliance part of the TeamNest portal.